In this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate scale inside of Bluebeam. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to open up Bluebeam and then open up your project and sign in. Now, once we've done that, we want to go ahead and zoom in to where you want to calibrate. So I'm just going to zoom into my plan, house plan like so. And now on the left hand side, we've got a ruler. So we've got measurements. So go ahead and click onto that. And now we've got the calibrate option. So we can click on calibrate. Now it's saying here, select 2 points of a known dimension to calibrate measurement tools. So go ahead and click on OK. So actually in this plan, I'm going to calibrate up the top here just because it's a bit easier. So I want to calibrate these 2 dimensions. So I'm going to click on calibrate. Now select 2 known points of a known dimension to calibrate measurement tools. So I'm just going to zoom in here. So I'm going to click onto there. And now I want to come across and then click onto the middle of that too. So I'm just going to zoom in to make sure this is correct. Like so. And now we can change this to inches. This is in millimeters. And then we can see that. Then we can apply the scale from here. So apply scale. And now once we've done that, we can go ahead and just going to zoom back out. Makes life a bit easier. Now I'm going to hit this tool here. So now what this is going to do, this is going to show us the length. So we can, so if we come down here, we can draw a length like so. Now if I come back here, let's measure this point. So there to there. So you can see that's how we've done it like that.